Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Basics in Education. In this video we are going to discuss the syllabus and guest paper for UG third semester major as well as minor course Sociology. The title of the course is Classical Sociological Tradition. So let us start. Firstly, we will discuss the syllabus of major course. Bachelors with Sociology as major third semester. SOC 322J, this is the code. Sociology, Classical Sociological Tradition. Total credit is 6, Theory 4, Tutorial 2. Course description, this is a core course of 6 credits with 1 credit for each unit and last 2 units as tutorials. The course is meant to introduce the learners to the classical sociological tradition besides acquainting them with the founding fathers of the discipline. It also intends to familiarize the learners with their perspectives and major concerns. Objectives. Broadly, the course seeks to familiarize the students with the founding fathers of sociology, to introduce students to the trends in classical sociology, to offer an overview of different approaches to the study of society and various perspectives of the founders of sociological theory. Learning outcomes. It will also help students gain an understanding of some of the classical contributions in sociology and their continuing relevance to its contemporary concerns. Unit first is the thought of Auguste Comte. Unit first, Auguste Comte, Positivism, Law of Three Stages, Social Statics and Social Dynamics. Unit second, Karl Marx, Historical Materialism, Class Struggle and Social Change, Theory of Alienation. Unit third, Emile Durkheim, Contribution to the Methodology of Sociology, the Study of Social Fact, Division of Labor, Suicide. Unit 4, Max Weber, Social Action, the Ideal Type, Bureaucracy and Authority. Tutorials. Tutorial 1, Relevance of Durkheim in Contemporary Society, Religion, Collective Consciousness, Morality. Tutorial 2nd, Relevance of Weber in Contemporary Society, Bureaucracy, Religion. Essential readings. So this is the syllabus for major sociology. Now this is the syllabus of bachelors with sociology as minor third semester. So the syllabus is same for both major as well as minor sociology. Now let us discuss the guest paper. Section A, short answer type questions. Question number 1, Auguste Comte is considered as the father of sociology. Why? Question number 2, who was the mentor of Auguste Comte? Question number 3, why Auguste Comte later changed the name of newly created discipline from social physics to sociology? Question number 4, what is fetishism of commodities? Question number 5, define the following: A, forces of production, B, relations of production. Question number 6, who was the first professor of sociology? Question number 7, how does an action become social action? Question number 8, give 2 examples each of material and non-material social factors. Now let us discuss the medium answer type questions. Question number 1, individual mind, human activity and society passes through successive stages of historical evolution leading to some final stage of perfection. Comment. So this is the question regarding Law of Three Stages by Auguste Comte, or Social statics is the study of conditions of society's existence. Explain. Again, this is the question from the unit Auguste Comte. Now, question number 2. How is Comte's theory of division of labor different from Emile Durkheim's theory? Or what is mechanical and organic solidarity? How can they be differentiated? Question number 3. Explain Karl Marx's theory of historical materialism. Or the question will be asked like this. Discuss in detail the theory of alienation as propounded by Karl Marx. Now, coming to question number 4. Highlight the main characteristics of bureaucracy. Question number 4. Highlight the main characteristics of bureaucracy. This question is from Unit 4, that is Max Weber. Or explain the theory of religion as propounded by Max Weber. Religion is not in the syllabus. You will be asked to discuss the concept of ideal type of Max Weber. Now let us discuss the long answer type questions. Question number 1. Critically evaluate the theory of positivism of Auguste Comte. Question number 2. Define suicide. What are the different types of suicide? This question is from Unit 3rd, that is Emile Durkheim. Question number 3 is from Unit 2nd, that is Karl Marx. Discuss in detail theory of class struggle by Karl Marx. Or the question will be asked like this. Discuss in detail the theory of social change by Karl Marx. Question number 4 is from Unit 4, that's Max Weber. Question number 4 is define social action. What are its different characteristics? Also elaborate the different types of social action. So this was all regarding the syllabus and guest paper for major as well as minor course Sociology UG 3rd semester, University of Kashmir. Hope you enjoyed this video. If really, then do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. If you are having any doubt, ask me in comment box.